This workbook has been designed with you in mind to help you get your finances back on track. There's simple instructions on how to use this workbook. It talks about the donation tracker, where if you make regular donations, this is a great place to keep track of them, as a number of donations may be tax claimable. This is then a savings tracker that you can list your goal, the amount you've saved, and your target amount. Great way to see how you're progressing. If you have debts, again, you can list down here who it's with, whether it's a hire purchase or a lay-by or a buy now, pay later scheme, the repayment amounts, the interest rate you're paying, and the balance outstanding. Again, a good way to keep track of those debts. Subscriptions are a great money leak. It lists here the organisation, when you last paid it, how much it is for, and the renewal date. This is a great way to take a look at your bank accounts and actually update what subscriptions are important to you, because if they're not being used, then that's a money leak. It lists the income tracker. Now this is a 5-week month, so every month has 5 weeks in it, and you can list where you've received your income from, your expenses on a weekly basis, and then of course it will show down the bottom whether you've got a surplus or a deficit for that particular week. Meal planning is a great way to ensure that you are sticking to what you're wanting and sticking to your budget. By planning meals in advance, it saves you money and time. You have a shopping list, again, to keep you on track. Then at the end of each month, we have an expense tracker. So from each week, you can list down what your expenses were and put it down relevant for each month to see how you're going. There are regular pages which are blank, of which you can then write down your own notes, observations, or anything that you want to change. At the end of the book here, there is an expense tracker for the year. This will definitely give you a clear picture of exactly where your money is going and make any changes necessary to get your finances back on track.